This video describes how to get the robot back into a packing position. Before the robot returns to the packing position, it is necessary to switch the tool and workpiece coordinate system to 0. Firstly, switch the tool coordinate system, click Initial Coordinate Tool, switch to Tool 0, click Apply. Switch to Workpiece 0 and click Apply. Finally, slow down the overall speed. Next, we click on Application Tools Application Robot Packaging in turn. Click to move to 0 position. The robot will move slowly to 0 position. It is recommended to adjust the speed according to the actual situation to avoid collision. Click to move to packing position. The robot will move into a packing position. The robot has now moved to the packing position. The screws and connecting wires can be removed normally, and the robot can be placed in the packing box. This is the introduction of the robot back to the packing position. Thanks.